Sasa Yusufu, sikia, aka-investigate. Alipo-realize they had changed their attitude towards each other. Akasema, come in sasa. Wapenda, do you know something? Kwani ni watu wangapi walikuja kuchukua chakula pale na hawakukutana na Yusufu? Yusufu alikuwa sonko. Ulikuwa unakutana naye aje? But cheki, kumbe watu wanakuja wanaonana na Yusufu. Unajua ni kwa nini? It is not about how much you know. It is about who you know. And when you realize who you know ni aina gani, you change the way you treat each other. Hiyo point iko juu. Amen iko chini sana. Point iko hapa. Amen iko hapa. Acha nimalize. Sikieni wapendwa. You guys are living in the time of plenty. You need to gather food. Youths wale mko hapa, listen to me. Jesus is actually the album of God. Every page you find in the Bible, Jesus is on that page. Then it means this. The more you behold the page, you will find Jesus. And the more you behold him, you become. The more you behold Jesus, you become changed. I'm telling the youth today, every time, please, try and face the book. Every time, face the book, you will become. Face book, you will become.
Get the point. Take a step forward.